Hey, what is going on, traders? My name is Praise Maps, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Fibble Quantum indicator to analyze the NAS100. So it's almost market open, just a few minutes before market open. So it's very important that we do this. I'm just going to make an example for you guys, for those of you who are going to be trading with this indicator. Okay, or for those of you who are interested in trading with this indicator. But before we get into that, if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure to leave a like and a subscribe, okay? Because I want to post more videos of this nature to showcase to you guys trading strategies that you can use in order to profit from the markets, okay? So anyway, like we said before, guys, this indicator is called Fibble Quantum, and as you can see, it shows you where to buy and shows you where to sell. If you're buying, it shows you where to place your take profits. As you can see there, it says take profit 1, and then it says take profit 2. There's even take profit 3, okay? And then it shows you where to put the stop loss. You see where it says buy stop loss? That's where you'd actually put a stop loss if you're buying. You always need to trade with stop loss, guys, so that you can manage your risk, okay? And then conversely, when there's a sell entry, you see it tells you where to sell the market, shows you where to put the stop loss for the sell, and then shows you where to take profit. You know, you can take profit 1, you get take profit 2, and then you get take profit 3 every single time. So that's the general part of this, okay? So as you can see, the advantages, you can see, guys, graphical representation of where you can actually buy the market on MetaTrader 4, very easy, okay? But now there is a downside, and the downside is, you know, this is just general levels. It just shows you the best places where you could possibly buy and where you could possibly sell, okay? So now, for you, in order for you to make money, you need to find the places where the trades would most probably make the most profit, okay? So you want to incorporate price action with this, okay? So what I like to do is what I'm going to show you guys right now. Currently this is on the H1 chart, works from M15 all the way up to daily, but we're just going to look at the H1 for now, just for our trades, okay? So what I like to do before I open up any trades, I like to put in the structure, okay? Like, you know, for instance, putting your trend lines, something like that, you know, putting trend lines. As you can see, there's 1 point, there's 2 points, therefore this makes this a valid trend line, okay? And then, you know, on top and the bottom, just to see what's going on, you know. And as you can see right now, based off of that trend line, you can see that price is within a range. All right, so now it's getting to the top of the range, so I probably wouldn't take a buy at that level there. I love taking the sells in this type of situation, but you know, you just have to use your trading knowledge in order to get the proper trades, okay? So I incorporate trend lines such as these. If there's a breakout to the top side, then I definitely take that. If there's a breakout to the bottom side, I definitely take that. So how do you go about that? Okay, let's look at the bottom side first. As you can see now, we've got price in a range, okay? And then we've got price currently up here at 12894. Okay, so this is what I would do. All right, for me to sell this market, I'd actually wait for the price to come down, break out of this trend line over here, and then where it says sell entry, that's actually where I'd put in my sell stop, or I'd put in a market execution sell with the stop loss up there and the take profit levels, as you can see down there, okay? That's what I would anticipate. So let me just make it more plain for you guys. You see the sell entry would be there if the price comes down, and then the stop loss would be up there, as you can see over there, and then the take profit 1 would be there. You see take profit 1 would be there, take profit 2 would be there, take profit 3 would be there, okay? Very easy, very easy, very easy. So, but now if the opposite happens, as you can see now, price is near the buy entry. The rules say that we should buy when the market reaches the buy entry. So as you can see right now, the price comes up to this level here and hits this level, then that signals to you that you should buy according to this indicator. I don't know how that moved, but anyway, you buy according to this indicator and go to take profit 1, and then there's take profit 2 and 3, and you know, so on and so forth. So there would be your take profit 1 if the buy entry is triggered, and then the stop loss would be actually down there, okay? So it gives you both scenarios. So you just need to follow the price and use, you know, what you know about price action in order to confirm trades for you. Another way to increase your hit rate would be to wait for candle closes, like your H1 candle close, your M15 candle close, not just wait for a trigger, but wait for the price to actually close above that particular level. So it's very easy, guys. It's not very complicated. It's not very difficult. I know that trading sometimes can be very difficult and lonely, but if you're using a system like this and you sit down and you try to understand which are the best ways to do it, then you'll find trading to be much easier and less daunting. Okay, so yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you have questions, leave a comment or just send me an email. My email is in the description. If you want this indicator, you can get it. There's a once off price that you can pay for it. Just hit the link in the description. It's like $147, and you can just get this and start trading with it, testing it out, seeing what works and what doesn't. Basically develop your trading strategy using a trading indicator that shows you where to buy and where to sell. So I hope you like my video, and if you want to see more videos like these, guys, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and then let's hook up on the